Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in data science with Pinterest, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Pinterest account if you don't have one already. Navigate to the Pinterest homepage and click on Sign Up. You can sign up using your email, Facebook, or Google account. Once you have created an account, take a moment to complete your profile. Add a clear profile picture and a brief bio that reflects your interest in data science. Next, start exploring different boards related to data science. Use the search bar at the top of the page to find pins and boards by typing in keywords like data science. Organize your boards by specific topics, such as tools, tutorials, or case studies. Now, let's focus on curating content. Follow leading data science influencers and organizations on Pinterest. This will help you stay updated with the latest trends and resources. Engage with the content by commenting and sharing your own insights. You may also want to create pins featuring your own data science projects or findings. To do this, use tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to design visually appealing pins. Next, implement SEO strategies to make your pins more discoverable. Use relevant keywords in your pin descriptions and board titles. Consider using hashtags to further increase visibility. Now, let's move on to networking. Join Pinterest group boards that focus on data science. These boards often have multiple contributors, allowing for diverse insights and discussions. Collaborating with others can also enhance your learning experience. Once you feel comfortable, participate in discussions and share your own data science projects. Look for webinars and online courses that are frequently pinned on Pinterest. These can provide structured learning and help you dive deeper into specific topics. In addition, explore links to external blogs, articles, and videos shared on pins. Many of these resources include valuable tips and techniques in data science. Finally, regularly review and update your boards and pins. This will ensure you are continuously learning and showcasing the latest advancements in data science. Immerse yourself in this community, and watch as your knowledge and skills develop through your Pinterest journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.